Hi. In this video I will show you how to make text before function in Excel using VBA code. First we have to enable the Developer tab. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon, and click on the Customize the ribbon. Make sure to check the Developer tab and click OK. Now go to Developer tab, and click Visual Basic. Now right-click here, and insert the module. Now just copy my code. Here text before is the function name. Now I will teach you how to use this function. Write the function name that we created now. Press Ctrl-Shift-A. We have two arguments, text and delimiter. Our text will be this, and delimiter will be \. So this is for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more interesting tips and tricks videos. Thank you.